Hello everyone, I'm Eser Erol from Bosch Training Center. In today's video, we will perform the assembly and installation of kitchen furniture. Well, before we start, I would like to show you the machines to be used in this process in order. First of all, for drilling and screwdriving, we will use GSR 185Li. Following that, we will use GLL 2-15G for leveling. And after that, we will use the GLM 50-27CG in order to measure the distances. Especially in the kitchen work, not being able to see what we drill under the ground can create huge problems. So we will use our metal detector D-Tect 120 to avoid any damage on the water pipes and/or electrical installations in the kitchen. We will perform the drilling operations with the GDE 28D dust extraction system used together with our GBH 18V 28DC machine. We will use our GKT 18-52 GC machine to place the sink on the kitchen counter, and we will use our GST 18V LIB jigsaw machine for the cutting in the corners. Of course, our accessories are very important. In concrete drilling, we will use our SDS Plus 5X or SDS Plus 7X drill bits, which can also drill the reinforcement in the wall. For assembly processes, different materials can appear in different layers. Instead of using a different drill bit for each layer, we will drill all the holes with one multi-construction drill bit. Of course, we will use our long-life impact bits with impact control for screw-driven operations. It's also very important to keep our work environment clean. So we use our GAS 18V-10L cordless vacuum cleaner for our cleaning processes. By the way, all of our cordless tools can work with a single 18V battery. We briefly mentioned all of our products. Now let's start the kitchen assembly together. For the disassembly of the old kitchen, we will use the new 18-volt cordless screwdriver of Bosch GSR 185-Li, which is extremely light and compact thanks to the brushless motor and optimized body length. And in addition, we have a metal chuck for longer service life. We will entrust the assembly of the new kitchen to the same screwdriver again. When we work in different locations, there is nothing better than everything being tidy and with minimal weight. For this purpose, we use a set of impact control accessories with different bits and multi-construction drill bits, which allow us to drill in different materials with just one drill. For all measurements, we use a laser measure GLM 50-27CG. To keep everything well leveled, we rely on the GLL 2-15G linear laser with a green beam, which looks great even in very sunny weather. We mark the places in the wall, and with the help of D-Tect 120, we check for cables and pipes. We will make the holes in a reinforced concrete wall. For this, we will use a GBH 18V-28DC cordless rotary hammer with extremely lightweight dust extractor GDE 28D and SDS Plus 7X drill that handles the reinforcement without any problems. Then we clean each of the holes with a GAS 18V-10L vacuum cleaner. After we have installed the upper cabinets, we move on to the installation of the lower ones. For their leveling, we again use GLL 2-15G and the leveling targets that are included with each level. It's time to install the kitchen counter. We mark where we need to make a hole for the sink, and we do it without any problems with the help of cordless plunge saw GKT 18V-52 and guide rail systems FSN. We finish the holes with a GST 18V-Li jigsaw with a specialized countertop knife. Final touches on the installation of the hinges and door mechanisms. professional result in a short time. You can always count on this with Bosch tools. We are back in our training center. In our assembly work, we used our innovative and powerful tools. Of course, our measuring tools were very essential for our project. You can complete your renovation work quickly with our professional tools. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts for details.